Hey there, I'm Heather, one of the awesome client concierges at Executive Maids. Let me tell you all about our basic general initial cleaning service. It's perfect for making your home shine without breaking the bank. Imagine this. We'll give your bathrooms and kitchen a thorough cleaning and sanitization while making sure every nook and cranny is dust-free, from ceiling fans to baseboards. We'll even vacuum your carpets with care and clean all other types of flooring. Now, let's be transparent. Our basic package doesn't include cleaning inside the oven and fridge, hand-washing baseboards and blinds, or tackling heavy dirt buildup. But don't worry, our top to bottom deluxe VIP cleaning package has you covered if you need those extra services to meet your cleaning standards. Give us a call to discuss your home and your cleaning needs and any questions or concerns you may have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we are here to help you.